Hello South Africa and welcome to the Weather Center. We have a cold front that has just hit the southwest coastline, and this is going to maintain cloudy, rainy and cool weather along the west coast, much of southwestern South Africa as well as parts of the south coast. Further east, rain and thunder showers are set to persist for the easternmost parts of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to be dry for the rest of the interior. However, sizzling hot afternoon temperatures are forecast over central and eastern South Africa. It's also going to be pretty breezy for the eastern half of the country. We are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers this Saturday for the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, the bulk of KwaZulu-Natal and parts of Mpumalanga. A 60% chance of rain is forecast along the southwest coastline. The chance of precipitation decreases as we go further east along the south coast and northwards up the west coast. We are expecting a scorching afternoon for you across much of northeastern South Africa, Mahikeng and Pretoria, shooting to around 35 degrees, a degree cooler as we go towards Mbombela. A manageable 30 is forecast for Polokwane. It's going to be blazing this afternoon across the bulk of KwaZulu-Natal. Look at Pietermaritzburg reaching a high of 39. Cooler as we go towards Durban, peaking at 31. A hot one as well for Bloemfontein. Fairly comfortable temperatures around East London. A mild 23 is forecast for Port Elizabeth. And now a look at coastal conditions along the east coast. We are expecting a breezy day between Richards Bay and Durban. It's also going to be pretty windy around Port Elizabeth, where winds could gust up to 65 kilometers per hour. In fact, we have a warning for gale force winds along much of the south coast. Mild temperatures for Cape Town and George with highs in the upper teens, but it's going to be hot for Graafrenet, peaking at around 31 degrees. We are expecting strong winds as well between Cape Agulhas and Jeffreys Bay, where the winds could also gust up to 65 kilometers per hour. And off the south coast, swell heights will average around 4 meters coming from a southwesterly direction. It's going to stay hot this Saturday afternoon for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, cooler over the western sections, even around Sutherland, where a high of just 16 is expected. We are expecting fresh to strong southwesterlies across much of the west coast, and off the west coast, swell heights will average around 3 meters. Looking ahead to your Sunday, it looks like we have great gun run weather for Cape Town with a high of 21. Light rain for Port Elizabeth, however, thunder showers in Richards Bay and Mbombela. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.